Good morning from Brad at Parque. It is 6:30 a.m. We are working over the weekend. We had an emergency request from a new client called Gary who contacted us on Wednesday looking for a service for their hotel. And as a reactionary company, we said, we don't have much space, Gary, but we are willing to give you our weekend. So my weekend is being spent sanding another floor. We've just finished 5 days on our restoration project in Chef Bouton, restored staircases and ancient parquet. And next week we'll be back there finishing that project. But the reason I'm making our video this morning is to let people know, don't be scared to ask for a service. We are busy. We're always busy. But if we can fit you in, and if your project requires a service and you want excellent outcomes, call Brad, call Catherine. If we can, we will. So the project that we've been asked to restore this weekend is an oak floor that needs about a square metre of repairs where a bad repair was done previously. So we'll be fixing those repairs, making good and sanding the floor. The floor is in pretty bad condition. It's heavily marked, heavily scratched, and it needs a really good restoration sand. And remember the difference between restoration sanding and a finish sand or a light sand. So a restoration sand is where we start from the lowest grit, which is 36, and work all the way up to 120. Now, when Gary contacted us, he was given a price on the spot. We done a video call, and the price was agreed the next day. Gary said, let's go for it. Let's get our floor restored. So we will be starting this morning, Saturday AM, pre-sanding, repairs, and then working through all the grits, refining the floor, and then by Sunday we'll be applying our primer coat, most important coat, and our Parque Trend 98. This is our best commercial finish, really good for commercial premises. If there's pets, animals or heavy traffic, a great product. Obviously comes with our 2-year Pall Mall guarantee and my guarantee at Parque with our aftercare program. So once the floor is restored, you'll be able to see the final process, but you'll also be able to see the whole thing on YouTube because we record every project we do. And why do we do that? Because it builds confidence in your brand. It builds confidence in our process and it builds confidence for prospective new clients. Plus they're kind of fun to watch. But it's really important because we do that because we want to stand out. And we do stand out as different. We don't just offer floor sanding. We are a restoration company that sands floors. That's the difference. Some companies will just sand the floor, ignore the repairs and get on with it. That's a different process. We will not sand your floor if it needs major intervention. Minimal intervention, we'll do the repairs. Major intervention, we'll do the substantial repairs. We'll make sure that your floor is good and what's below, because we'll check that too. You don't just sand the floor without doing an inspection. You've got to make sure that you know what you're getting into because you are about to insure that floor. So doing the right thing is an assessment, intervention, reporting to the client, discussing the options and giving them the best outcome possible at the best competitive price possible. And that's what we do really well because you keep telling us we do that well. So this weekend, you'll be able to see the project. We hope you enjoy watching our Saturday weekend little showcase. It's quite a big room and you'll see it needs some love. So enjoy watching, enjoy your breakfast, and you'll be able to see our project progress over the weekend. Thanks for watching, folks. And remember, Parque are one of those companies that add value trust because we show you our process. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.